It's a little video on 1/4" ratchet made by, it's called Durateck. It's a 9 ratchet. Quick release button allows the socket to pop out easy and firmly. 90-tooth design, 4-degree arc swing. Chrome volume steel. Get out of here. Wow. This thing is really nice. Look at this thing. And this fits nice in your hand. It's even got a little indent for your thumb. .90-tooth. Oh, if you didn't see my one video with these socket rails by Ulsa Tools, check them out. These things are friggin' awesome. Okay, this thing's nice. A lot better than this. Look at this thing. I don't know if you can see that. This thing has very that. Wow, this thing has no play at all in the anvil. Not 1 ounce of play. Whole head moves. This thing does not move at all. This thing is really nice. Almost reminds me of my Snap-on. Let me grab it. Yeah, check it out. You could go on Amazon and check it out at Durateck Tools. This would, like I said, it's 1/4" ratchet. This thing is nice. It's badass. And again, check them out. You can check them out on Amazon too. Ulsa Tools. And if you subscribe to their newsletter, you can receive 10% off your first order with them. They have basically everything that you need for your toolbox. So, thank you, and take care.